Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to edit mobile menu in WIX. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to WIX and log in into your account. Then you wanna go to my site right here and go and select the site that you want to edit. Here in my case, I will go and select this one. This is just an example site in order to demonstrate how you can do it on your own. So go and click on design site, and here you have this shape. Now what you should do is to choose the mobile interface or the mobile view before you do any modifications in the mobile menu. So here you should click on switch to mobile, and here it will look just like so. You can simply click on let's go, and here it tells you exactly how you can do the customization to your mobile. Simply I'll go and click on go to mobile editor, and here you have WIX website itself has some tutorials on how to make such things. So here I will go and click on go to my mobile editor, and here as you can see you have this menu icon or this menu button. Now you can go and click on add to mobile, then go and click on add button, and let's say that I want to add a specific button. You can simply go and add the button just like so, just drag it and drop it, and here the button is added to all the pages. But this is not what I want to do. I want to delete this, and I wanted to add just one like so. So I'm gonna delete this, then I'm gonna add the menu button that I actually want. So let's say that I want it to be in a square manner. So I will add this button, then type here menu, just double click on it and type here menu, for example. And you can change the color of the button. You can simply go to settings, choose a specific link. You can link the other page in your website, just like so. Which page do you want to add it? You can choose the page from here and choose the window. How does it open? Does it open in a new window or the current window in your browser? And here you have some advanced SEO settings, and now you can also go to the layout and change how does the button look like. Do you want it on the left, on the right? I mean the text itself inside the button. You can also adjust the size of the button by simply dragging like so. You can add an animation or effect to the button. This is the entrance animation. Let's say that I want to add a fold animation, and this is a loop animation. This will be repeated as long as you are inside the page. So let's say that I want to add this animation, for example. You can make the movement moderate. You can also change the duration, and you can scroll down and use also animation for the scroll when you scroll down on your phone. So let's say that I do not want to make any animations. I will select none. Now here you have the design. You can change how the button looks. As you can see, you have many different designs. But let's say that I will customize it by my own. I'll use the background fill. I will change the color. Here you have color, gradients, and image. You can add an image if you want to do so. But here in my case, I'll simply go and choose from the color wheel. Here you have some gradient colors. So in the gradient mode, you can add two colors, as you can see. You can even go and click on this plus icon in order to show you all the color wheel that you can actually get. So you can choose between one color, just like so, or only two colors with gradient or an image. The good thing is that you can actually go back, customize design again, and customize the text, the borders, the corners, the shadows, layout, and the icon itself. So let's say that I want to add a shadow to this one right here. You can add a color to the shadow. I will make it black, for example. Then I'm gonna select an angle. Then I can give it a saturation. You can customize the shadow more. You can do some blur, just like so, as you can see on the top right side. So here I'm changing the blur, and you can even change the size of the shadow, as you can see. If you want to do some contrast to your shadow or contrast to your button, you can even go and select the corners. How would you like the corners to be? Let's say you want to unlock it. Let's say that you want to make it here 50, for example. Here I'll make it 50 also. So here, as you can see, it makes like a curve to your corners. You can also change the borders. Let's say that I want the borders to be in a specific color. Let's say red, for example, just in order to make it attractive. You can do so. You can also change each border width by simply adding a number, just like so. But here I will leave it 1. You can even change the style of the border. You can make it just like so, interrupted or continuous or even double lined like so. You can even add the background fill if you want to customize it. As I mentioned, you can change the text. How does the text look? You can make it bold, as you can see. You can make it underlined. You can make it italic. So you can apply some effects on the button of the menu. Now here is the link button. As I mentioned, you can link anything to this button, you can link a phone number, you can link a WhatsApp number, you can link an address, you can link a lightbox, you can link an email, document, section, or web address, or another page of your own website. So this is how we can actually edit the menu button. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.